Hello guys, I hope you're the good. How did I learn the English? I will tell you how I did learn the English. I'm not a city person. I'm a village person. You can see behind me. You can judge me. I'm a villager. I'm not a city person. So I will tell you how you can learn the English. But how? You know, if you want to learn the English, so you have to focus these things. Which type things I will tell you. But if you follow me, if you subscribe me, so you will not forget any things. In my video I uploaded, there are so many things. If you watch, so you can easily get how you can learn the English. And right now I am doing new things. If you want to learn the English, so you can join me my VR. What is the VR? So go and watch my long video. After that you will get that video. You will get how you can learn the English. After that you can practice with me 30 minutes per day. Oh my god, how? I am doing new thing every day. I will give you 30 minutes per day at 3 o'clock in afternoon. You can tell me your problem, which type problem you face. After that I will tell you how you can solve your problem and how you can speak the English fluently and with the confidence. So you can think I'm a villager person, but how I didn't learn the English doesn't matter. I will teach you, I will guide you how you can learn the English. So if you want to learn the English, so go and watch my video. Tell me your problem. Want to learn the English, so go watch my tell me your problem. After that you will easily get how you can learn the English with me. So bye bye guys, thank you so much.